Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just this stunning 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle matching numbers super sport car, guys. Probably one of the most original 71 SS's I've ever had. I took this in on trade from a buddy of mine. From North Carolina. The car's always been a North Carolina car. We have the original documentation when the car was bought new, the original window sticker, a copy of the original A title, the order sheet with it, the inspection sheet with it. Super cool car. I think it's 63,000 original miles on it. Matching numbers drivetrain. This is the original color, Mulsanne blue metallic. It was a factory stripe delete car, but he actually added the stripes. I think all the interiors are original black vinyl interior. Of course, it's got the correct SS rallies on it, and they put BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it. But killer car. Factory air, tacking gauges, 12 bolt with F41 suspension, and a ton of documentation. Runs and drives excellent. He said probably one of the nicest driving Chevelles he's ever had. You can see it's got the cowl hood. Again, it was a stripe delete car. He added the stripes. A couple little stone pecks on it. Again, it has been repainted, but I think actually the engine compartment and a lot of the jams, I think, are actually the original paint. I think those are even the original bumpers, guys. I wish we had some sunshine. Slick paint. No, I'm just sending this probably fingerprints out here. Chrome and stainless is real nice on the car. That's the original soft ray glass in it. Pretty car right here. Again, original rear bumper. Touch-up marks. I think it's got all the original body panels. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. Sits good. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Correct SS rallies. And again, for those guys who like that documentation, this one's got it. Factory power front disc brakes. Again, just as you walk around it, there's some little blemishes, but still really nice, man. I try to point that stuff out, man. 90% of these cars get sold sight unseen, so I try to show you anything I see. Again, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch, big block, 300 horsepower, factory air, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Yes, the air blows cold. Original 400 turbohydramatic transmission. This is the original paint in here. They call them a 400, but they're actually a 402s. They just called it a 400. And again, if you've never watched my videos before, I'll tell you this: the only way I guarantee a car to be an SS is if they've got paperwork or matching numbers, because you can't break these cars down through the VIN. And this car's got paperwork and matching numbers. There's a North Carolina inspection tag for it. This is a cool car, guys. Cowl hood, sport mirror. Those are the original door handles on it. I think this is all the original paint in here. Door skins are nice and clean. I believe all this interior is original. Remote driver's mirror. Carpet looks original. Factory Strato buckets, center console, factory tach dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. $63,747. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car, guys. I think everything in here works with the clock. AM, it's got the original Delco AM radio. They've added an FM converter. It works. And they say the 8-track works. Dual exhaust, factory 12-bolt 331 rear end. It's got the F41 suspension with the rear sway bar. You know, I think this is all original in here. I don't think this has been painted. Look at that old Firestone wide oval spare. Jacks in there. And again, now this is the original stuff in here, but he's mounted this in here. A copy of the original A title. That is your inspection sheet, owner's manual. There's the bill or the order sheet for the car, all handwritten, and then there's the original window sticker for it. Bought new in North Wilkesboro, North Carolina. That's a good looking car right there. And it's real. That's just one that, you know, probably 80% of the Chevelles you see 1969 to 1971, I would guess you can't guarantee they're real. This one you can. Paperwork and matching numbers. Oh yeah, I left these in. Look at those old speakers somebody put in it. Somebody's loved this car. Somebody has kept this car nice. Good old RCA 8-track. Neat car, guys. Turn the key and point the direction. Just a good car right there. Amp gauge works, tach works, like I say, no on the clock, fuel gauge works, temp gauge works. Oh, there's your original door tag in there too. See the doors open and close nice, fit and finish is nice on the car. That's a good car right there, guys. Good car. You gotta hit the FM converter, it'll come on.
It is. I get a signal.
Oh, because of the building. Yeah, it's got the antenna in the front windshield. Because it does work, guys. Blower motor works. The doors open and close nice. This is a killer car, man. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our Facebook, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that. Yeah, watch that guy. You can do that by clicking that little button there on the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.